Hi, this is your BGS Michael. Today I got you the wheel hub grinder set from BGS technique. With it you can easily remove rust and dirt on wheel hubs and wheel hubs with stud bolts or brake discs. And now I'll show you how it all works. Now I would like to present you the wheel hub grinder in detail. It has many features. We have set up a front axle for you so that you can see it in detail. You can use the wheel hub grinder on any common drill or cordless screwdriver. It fits anywhere, no problem. The open-pore material prevents dust from developing. But for you a tip, always work with a dust mask. Furthermore, you also reduce flying sparks because the insert is completely metal-free. I would say, let's start now. Here you see a perfect result. Everything is absolutely smooth. The great thing about the attachment is that you have a Velcro fastener and can quickly switch between the different attachments and are ready to go. A must-have for every workshop, your BGS Michael.